Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. It is 10 degrees outside and we're unboxing a blue card Hot Wheels in the snow. This is the Oshkosh Snowplow, collector number 201. That means that it has a plastic cab and plastic back. But we're going to be testing it out on this snow track, see if it plows it. Got the plow there, it attaches on here. This is from 1992, I believe. 2902 is the toy number. And we got it in orange with the orange construction tires. Here's the old card. And 1991 copyright. But judging by the collector number and how new the collector number is, I think it's a 1992. Now, this debuted in 1983 in the main line, and then in the blue card series, they released it under the number 42 with an all-metal casting. And they had it in green one with construction tires or construction tire spoke wheels, and those are all metal. Those are probably like $30, $40 each, and the orange one was actually worth $70 in the card as of now, but prices always change. Under collector number 201, they created a farm promo, and this same one with chrome wheels, which was more expensive, but this is the older of the styles. Oshkosh Snowplow, and let's just get it right open. Get it off the card. I've been waiting so long to get this thing open. I mean, it was extremely heavy, and I just dropped the plow. Alright, yeah, this came out in the extra series with the extra plow. You can take a look at the nice plow there. Let's take a look at the vehicle first. Wow, it's extremely cold out here. Hopefully my phone can take it. I don't want to take too long. But this is what the Oshkosh Snowplow looks like. Die-cast metal base, made in Malaysia. And this is where the plow attaches onto. Just gotta pop it in there. Like that. I don't want to force it. It doesn't really snap. It just like... Nope, I think it should snap. Don't want to break anything. Alright, well, it's not going in. I'll probably figure that out off camera, but you can see that nice bucket there. You can fill that with snow. Orange CT wheels, construction tires. So this part right here is metal. That cab and right here is plastic. That fender is die-cast, so it continues from there. And the base is die-cast, so it's like partly metal up top, and this is plastic, and this is die-cast. The wheel spun well. Now I'm just going to find out how to put that plow on. But I'll just give you a nice look at that. Oshkosh Snowplow. Okay, so it doesn't snap on, but that's how it comes out. Let's see if it can plow. Just got to hold the track down. And yes, it does plow. You can see the tire treads there. Does actually plow the snow. This is really cool. I don't think it goes down all the way, so if I hold it down, maybe it can do more. That's a nice job it did. So yeah, this is a good vehicle to play with. I can get that snow off there before it starts damaging it, but I intend to keep this in mint condition. Thanks for tuning in and watching. I just tested out an Oshkosh Snowplow, collection number 201 from the Blue Card series. Please subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going to do more show-off videos and unboxing videos. And, yeah. Have a nice day.